In today's video I want to show you a first look at the FydeTab Duo tablet. Out of the box this tablet comes with FydeOS, but we can install different operating systems like Linux or Android. Basically it's like having a Raspberry Pi in a tablet format and it looks quite promising. So let's take a look at the specifications. The first thing is the CPU, which is a Rockchip model 3588S, which is the same CPU as the Orange Pi 5, and we have a Mali GPU. About the display, we have a 12-inch display 2K resolution at 60 Hz. The display is one of the best things in this tablet. Now about the battery, we have a 42 Wh battery and it can be fast charged up to 45 watts. And about the power brick, we will talk more a bit later because in my case it was not included. Also the tablet has only one USB Type-C port, which can do video output, and we have a microSD slot and also a 3.5mm headphone jack, so you can connect your wired headset. We have 8GB of RAM and 256GB of memory for the tablet, but we can expand it with the microSD card slot. The tablet comes with the keyboard and the cover that you saw on the intro of the video. We have Wi-Fi 6 and we have Bluetooth 5.3. Apart from that, we have a 5MP video camera for the video calls, but to be honest it doesn't have too much quality, and it has a couple of speakers, one in each side. I will check more in depth the quality of the speakers and the camera in a review that I want to do when I have spent like a month with the tablet. Also you can check that the weight of the tablet with all the accessories is almost 1.5 kg, so it's not something light. And to finish, I just want to comment what I said at the beginning, that in this tablet you can install different operating systems. By default it comes with FydeOS, which is based on Chrome OS, but you can install Android, Debian or different distributions. You can check the wiki that they have to check all the operating systems that are right now available for this tablet. So let's finish the specifications and let's start with the unboxing. I just want to comment that I'm an early adopter on the Kickstarter campaign that they did, but you should receive the same unboxing experience. I already removed all the plastics from the tablet, so I can show you how it starts. It comes, as I commented, with FydeOS, and I will show you later in the video how to install Android apps in this operating system and how to install a Linux subsystem, so you can install all your Linux applications. Now if we remove this part, we have the box that contains the back cover and also the keyboard. So if we pull from this plastic, we can grab the box, and I already also removed the plastics here, so it was easier to show you all the stuff. But it came very well protected with all the plastic around the accessories. So here you can see the keyboard with the trackpad and also the magnetic cover. As I said, you can attach the cover magnetically to the tablet. You just need to pull the tablet over the cover and you can grab from the bottom part and open it a bit. So you create an stand and you can put it in the position you want. And to attach the tablet to the keyboard, we have some pogo pins, so we have to align these pins with the pins on the keyboard and they attach magnetically. And to finish with the unboxing, we have the pencil, which works with a battery. I will show you in a moment which battery you need to buy for this, but you can use this pencil in an Android application or in the browser. Also we have the instructions, and also we have this USB Type-C cable. This cable is not for data transferring, it's only for charging the tablet, so take that in mind. Here we have the instructions, they are very small, so you have just a basically description on how you can use the tablet and that you can attach it to an external monitor, but we will see that later. And we also have a couple of stickers from FydeOS. You can see that we have the tool to extract the microSD slot, and we have also the option to install a nano SIM, but this option only works if you install by yourself an LTE module to the tablet. So coming back to the pencil, you have to unscrew the pencil, and here we need to put a battery. You need a quadruple A battery, just one, so you can insert it inside and screw again the pencil with this paper. You have just to screw it and now you can use it. So we can start taking notes in the tablet. I have installed for this example an Android application, but you can install whatever application you want or use it in the browser. To finish with the preview of the device, I want to show you physically how it is. In the top part we have the fingerprint sensor, and here we have the USB Type-C, the audio jack and the slot for the micro SD card. In the other side we don't have any port, just the speaker. Now I want to show you a preview of the FydeOS operating system and what you can do with it. So as always with a new device is update the system. This comes with FydeOS 18. And I want to show you how much the system takes. So we have 200 GB free because the system takes 46. Now I want to show you how to install the Android subsystem. If you don't have this notification the first time you log into FydeOS, if you close this application, don't worry because you can start the process by going to the menu and clicking on Android. Here we need to check the box that we agree on the terms and the conditions, and we can start the process with the button. So you just need to start the process and it will take a bit. Once the process finishes, we will see that this application is open, and this is like the settings on an Android system. We can see that we have Android 9, so I hope that FydeOS update the Android subsystem in the future, but we can start installing apps. So the first thing is installing the Google Apps, because if we want to have the Google Play Store, Gmail, YouTube or whatever, you need to install the Google Apps first. So from the FydeOS we can add this application, configure Open Apps, and we are going to open this. When you open, you just need to accept again the terms and the conditions. So let's check the box here and let's click on the button Next. Here check that you have the option to install, and we are going to click again on Next. Now we can start the process with the button, so it will take a while, but when the process finishes, we will see that we can install anything we want from the Google Play Store. So let's wait until this finishes, and we need to restart the tablet. You have to open this application, Google Apps, and now you can see that in the bottom part we have the Google Play Store and also in the menu. So let's open it. And the first time you open it, you need to sign in with your account. So I have signed in with mine, and you can start installing all the applications you want. Now I want to show you how to install the Linux subsystem. So if we go to the terminal application, we click on the install button, and here we need to turn on the development environment. So just click on turn on. Let's click here on next, and let's click on install. You can modify the username and the space you want to assign to the system here. In my case, I will set the username to droidmaster. After that, just click on install and let the process finish. Now you can see that we have a console, and this is basically a Debian container, so you can install whatever you want. I will leave for future videos how to install different applications and how to use them. But for now, the first thing to do in any distribution is updating the repository and the packages. So let's write the classic sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade. From this point, you can install basically anything. To run any graphical application, you can see that in the menu, we have a new folder called Linux Apps, and here you can find all the applications that have been installed in the Debian container. For example, you can see that right now I'm using GIMP, or you can open LibreOffice, for example. So I hope you like the video, and leave in the comments if you want me to try anything with this FydeTab Duo.